the elevators here at Nordstrom Farmer Mall in Atlanta, Georgia. These are Montgomery Kone. These elevators run pretty great. Also, they're fast. There goes this one. Now, we're going to get that one. Talking over the music. Here it is, waiting for me. Same thing as the first one. There is your phone. We can use that if we get stuck. Here we're at 1. There they go. That will be it.